Let's install an MCP server in the Cursor IDE. So before you head to Cursor, you need to know which MCP server you want to install. For this video, I'm installing the official GitHub MCP server. But you can find other servers, for example, in the Model Context Protocol repository under servers. And here you see a list of reference servers, third party, and so on. This is not an exhaustive list. You will find multiple MCP servers out there. So just find the one that you are looking to install and head to the installation steps. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go to the installation, and here you see two installations. This one is for VS Code and this one for Claude. There's not one that says specifically for Cursor, but if you head to the Cursor settings, as we will in a minute, you will see that this one is the one that Cursor needs. So let's go to Cursor, and you can open here, settings, Cursor settings, go to MCP, and you're gonna click add new global MCP server. So we had copied over this part, we're gonna paste it here. And here you can see your token. So you're gonna have to create a personal token in GitHub. In this video, I assume you know how to create one. Now, once you put your token in and save this file, if everything's correct and it's able to run the server, you're gonna see this little green dot, and you're gonna see the tools that it has access to. One brief comment here is that the command here is Docker. So you must have Docker installed and make sure that it's running. There are other ways to run the servers. This specific one is using Docker, but all it needs is a command that can run in the command line and the arguments to be able to run this tool. So don't get too hung up on this. Just understand that all it's doing is running this command in a sort of CLI style. That's it. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.